crap, did I spell it wrong?
These doors are gonna have 6,000 miles on them. I'm driving between, yeah, because it's 2,000 coming here, then 2,000 going back, being resprayed, 2,000 come back here. So if you want to see how, last time I was here, I came with Iwana. I thought she took the hinges, she thought I took the hinges. So we ended up here with doors, with handles on, with no hinges. Little did I know that next time is going to be with Mike. So we're doing our first install together. Doors from Canada, hardware from Austria, a dude from Romania, and a California guy. We're very global. Let's see. It's a one-piece door, right? Even though it looks like a shaker, so it has a panel, it has a frame. This traditionally would be built out of 4 frames, right? With a panel. But this, the way we do it on the CNC machine, is actually carved out of one solid piece of HDF. The pocket is just being released from the material. So you're sculpting in a way. That's how it looks. If you don't do any machining, right? It's super flat. Machining, and it looks like a 5-piece door. But the benefit of having a one-piece, actually fake 5-piece door, is that you don't have any joints, because you could miter joint this or have it a tenon where the joint is vertical here. If it would be 5-piece, it would, the wood or HDF or MDF, whatever material you use, it's going to expand with humidity and temperature, and therefore that joint in time is going to show. So you're going to see a little line here if it would be 45, or a straight line if it would be tenon. But like this, it's one piece, but it moves as one. With a frame, let's say it's solid wood, the grain of the wood would be this way, and on the other, the perpendicular piece is going to be the other way. Wood expands widthwise with the grain. So this would want to expand and shrink this way. This would want to expand and shrink this way. So this joint is always going to suffer, or this joint. It's stuff that we discovered along the years. At the beginning, all our doors were 5-piece, because that's the standard of the industry. So solid wood frame, solid wood panel. Then we upgraded to MDF panel, make it a little bit lighter and more cost efficient. And then once we introduced the CNC technology in the shop, everything was one piece. And watch it, they don't fit now, they're the wrong size. How funny would that be? Zero funny. Ooh, look at that. And you see how the hole is pre-drilled, and the guide holes, because if you don't have those 2 guide holes there, you could do the hinge, right? Could be like this, or slightly like this, and then that's gonna throw off the alignment. Such a small screw, it makes it weaker, and in time, depending on the weight of the door, those screws might give in. But if I just make a mark where the screw should go, and then I use the thread of the screw to dig the actual hole, it's gonna last forever there. Should I do like you do in your videos? The adjustment for this hinge, like how it works, you can adjust in and out, sideways, in and up, out front to back, and up and down. So you can line them up all perfect. This was Iwana's design, start to finish, everything.
the fact that we did everything start to finish on this project, this is a clear example of why it works for us, for all the trades involved, and especially for the client. Having to deal with somebody that controls all aspects of design, manufacturing, and installation. We were there essentially from day one. Ioana with the design team, then me with the installation crew, and now that the job is complete, both of us with whatever questions might come about whatever was installed there. We're helping the countertop people, we're helping the electrician on site, all the mechanical work that needs to be done for all the appliances. We're there and we have all the answers.